Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add HTML code to Wix. All right. As you can see here, this one is Google reviews by using a third-party website. And this is also in HTML. So for this video, I'm going to try to show you how I did this. And also I'm going to show you maybe add in a Google form. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add a section right here. Click on add elements, or at the top left, we have add elements as well. Click on it. Now go ahead and find embed. Here, as you can see under popular embeds, we have HTML. Click on it. Now here you will paste your HTML code. For example, I have this one, or I have this Google form. I'm going to click on 3 dots and then click on embed HTML. Here we have the code. Just hit on copy. I'm going to move it away. Then I'm going to paste the code. Update and just wait for it. Okay. You may need to refresh the Wix editor just for it to pop up. And that's basically how you do it. Just go ahead and make it bigger to fit like so. Another one, I'm going to add a widget or an element, embed code, HTML. I'm going to show you the Google reviews. I actually created it from this website. I'm just going to copy the code. I'm going to move it away. Right click and paste, update. There you go. All right. That is how you add HTML codes to Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.